There is a woman in Somalia scraping for pearls on the roadside. There's a force stronger than nature, keeps the will alive. This is how she's dying. She's dying to survive. I don't know what she's made of. I'd love to be that brave. She cries to the heavens above. There is a storm in my heart. She lives a life she didn't choose. And it hurts like brand new shoes. And it hurts like brand new shoes. There is a woman in Somalia. The sun gives her no mercy. The same sky we lay under burns her to the bone, long as afternoon's shadows. It takes her to get home, each grain carefully wrapped up. Pearls for a little girl. Hallelujah. 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 She cries to the heavens above. There is a stone in my heart. She lives in a life she didn't choose. And it hurts like brand new shoes. And it hurts like brand new shoes.